So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm going to watch someone deep fry a turkey. Never seen this before. Let's get this on video. We don't deep fry turkeys in Brooklyn. Did you ever do that?
No, I've never done it. Paul's the first person I've known, like I've watched do it. I've known people that have done it before.
Yeah, it's a first for me. So this is, what is this, like a special
It's just
fryer?
peanut oil, like a deep fryer.
Okay, this is Paul, by the way. Hey, Paul.
All right, if I catch the house on fire, it's my own.
There we go.
Well, we'll be here. We'll help you. We'll help you put it
A
out.
lot of people, they turn off they leave the burner on. That's how they catch it.
So how long does it take to deep fry it?
This is a 15 pounds, so it'll be about 50 minutes.
Happy Thanksgiving, Alex. It's like, yeah, we're doing celebrate. Yeah, feel. I was like, yeah.
You have to make sure you got a turkey that's going to fit that pot, too.
Videos where it's bad, videos dropping too fast. Yeah.
I could smell it. You could smell it cooking already. You can smell the turkey already.
Smart to turn the burner off.
So it shoots out that middle.